Hello, we're team number 2, and we're going to do our video project. And the team members are Rodrigo Covarrubias, Carlos Roma, and Luis Carlos Carlos.
Well, we are the team number 2, and our problem is the 26 FM radio signals.
So welcome back. Hello, we are the 40 principales, and my name is Facundo, and my name is Omar Chaparro. How are you, man? I'm fine. You? Thank you. Good. So let's start with some jokes. Here's a student that told the teacher, asked the teacher, would you punish me for something I didn't do? I didn't do? The teacher replied, no, of course not. And the student said, good, because I didn't do my homework. It was good. Well, my job is better. And the job is says that, Mom, in school everybody tells me that I'm confused. Hey kid, this is not your house. You live in the opposite street. Poor kid, right? It's good. Okay, now we can begin with the tweet time. So let's go to see some questions that you asked us from Twitter. And first day, they just want me for Omar Chaparro. Do you have a girlfriend? Now I'm single. I didn't want to have one because everybody is very ugly for me. Tanya says, one question for Bruno. How many kids do you have? Man, I don't like kids, you know? So I don't have any. Me too. Okay, here's a specific question that caught my attention. And it said, do you are the best radio signer? If it's true, why or how do you do that? Can you repeat the question? Okay, the question says that we have the best signal, if we are the radio with the best signal, and if that is true, why? Okay, how we do that? Of course with the best radio because we have the best signal. Because we know that every single person in Guadalajara listens to us, and we can prove it. But first, let me do the subject. Announcements. Nike. Risk everything. Welcome back to los 40 principales. Now we're gonna answer the question that says that if we had the best frequency of the radio. So, Omar, can you tell me how we're going to prove that? Of course. So to prove that, we have a special guest from the University of Mexico. And Ernesto Benavides, please come with us. How are you? My name is Ernesto. It's a pleasure to have you. Please, have a seat. So, tell me, Ernesto, about your life. When you start to focus on the mathematics.
Well, when I was young, I used to love, I love right now, so I love mathematics. So, I was thinking when I was going to study, so I decided to be a professor of math.
So, do you love your job?
Yeah, I love it. It's the best job in the world.
Okay. Okay, so can you tell us the procedure of how we are going to explain why our radio or program is the best?
Yeah.
Amazing.
Yeah, it is easy.
Okay. So well.
Hello guys, my name is Ernesto and I'm the math professor. So the first thing that you have to do to identify the problem that this company have to say that they are the best company of radio in the whole country, you have to follow the process to find this answer. So the first thing you have to do as a math professor or as a student, you have to read and analyze the problem, then identify the variables of the given function, then analyze the period of the formula and also analyze the frequency of the formula. Then you have to substitute the identified values in both formulas. And for the final thing, you have to solve and set the solution. So I put this example so you can get an idea of how to do it. So it says that the carrier wave for an FM radio signal is modeled by the function y is equal to a sin parentheses below the formula, the regular formula. Then where t is measured in seconds, find the period and the frequency of the carrier wave. So with this mathematical model that we are going to follow, we need to find the period and the frequency of the carrier wave. So first of all, we have to identify the variables in the function given, and with this function. And we can see that the object is simple harmonic motion because the equation describing its displacement at time at this function, the function we have. And as we know, we have two formulas. The period, that is this formula, that is represented by 2p over w, and the frequency that is represented by w over 2p. So now we have to substitute these formulas to the values that we have already in this formula. So the period, as we can know, we follow the formula, so our answer is going to be equal to 1 over 9.15 times 10 to the 7 seconds. And to get the frequency, we apply this formula, and the answer will be 9.15 times 10 to the 7 hertz. So my final conclusion is that the period of the carrier wave, that is the seconds, that is this one, this answer, and the frequency of the carrier wave, that is the hertz, that is this answer, this one, we can infer that this type of process can be applied also in the vibration of strings, a vibration of string, a vibration of musical notes and brightness of the variable star, that this could make a company go bigger or go higher. And we can also use the simple harmonic motion to model the numbers of hours of daylight. You can get the time that the company is getting light. And then the model that the alternating current and model the blood pressure. That is a different kind of advantages that you as a company that Parente Principales have to or different to the other companies.
So thank you for solving this problem and proving to our colleague that you are the best for all of them.
Yeah, you already know what is their advantages from all the other companies.
I gotta say a word as well.
Yeah, thank you. That is my profession, so it's not a huge thing. But don't forget, guys, to follow me. My Twitter is